everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be looking at a review on how which is AI video maker. Alright, so we know that creating high quality videos can be time consuming, expensive and requires specialized skills. And traditional video production involves hiring actors, securing location and editing footage, which can strain your budget and delay your project. But HowOne offers an AI-powered solution that generates realistic videos using virtual presenters, customizable templates, and text-to-speech capabilities. So in this review, we're going to dive into HowOne features, benefits, and potential drawbacks, helping you decide which is the video creation solution you need. It actually saves time and money. And its report says you'll be able to spend 80% less time on video production. Let's see. What is HowOne? HowOne is like a video creation wizard. Yes, it's a special kind of video creation generation platform that uses super smart technology to help you make professional videos without all the usual fuss. You don't need fancy cameras, actors, or even a film crew. Just pick a video template that fits your style, type in the script you want to use, and let HowOne work its magic. It's like having a whole production team at your fingertips, but way easier and faster. You get polished videos that look like they were made by pros even if it's the first time you're making a video. So this is an example of a video that was made with HowOne. You can see this is an example. It wasn't based in a garage by some tech wizard. It's the brainchild of Orion and Harold and his team of experts who wanted to make video creation way less complicated. And they actually did. Now, one of the benefits of HowOne is time saving, cost efficient, accessible, scalable, customizable, versatile, engaging, and innovating. It also has good collaboration where you can streamline your video production workflow with the built-in collaboration tools. What are the best features? Languages and voices, video translation, AI avatars, video templates, AI video tools, and that's it. Let's look at pricing. We have the free trial. You don't pay anything. Then we have the lead, the business, and the enterprise. On the lead, you pay $10 per month. On the business, you pay $112 per month. On the enterprise, you have to contact sales for that. Let us see. We're through the pricing. Just in case you want to see this, is Excel to come out. This is the pricing here. These are the features you get in each price. If you're using a free trial for businesses, you get 3 minutes. Share videos via link. You can get 100 plus AI avatars, one editor and one viewer. So these are the benefits of each of them. Let us create a free video and see. So we can create using Google or your business email. Let's use our business email. Password, and let's create a password. And then we can sign up. You must have at least one number. Okay. You can sign up. So an email will be sent and then you have to put in the verification code. So we're waiting for the verification code. So while waiting for that, in case HowOne is not the right one for you, there are other alternatives you can try. Yes, like Syntasia, DID, Colossian, Hygen, Vid. You can try this ones also. They are really good. So as for the pros and the cons, before we mention the pros, let's look at the cons. We have limited customization and they have the occasional AI glitch. So we're still waiting for the code. I haven't gotten the code yet for whatever reason. Okay, let me ask them to resend it. Alright, I've gotten it now. 485945. So the code is 485945. Alright, so click on submit. Let's see. Invalid 485945. That's the code I got. Maybe I've got another one. That's the code I got. So why is it invalid? Okay, I got another one. Sorry. Since the first code, they just arrived 265648. 265648. So let's see. Okay, we're in. What else do you use it for? Personal. So let's create our first video. We can choose the background we want. Let's get started. We can also change our avatar. Let's say I want to use her instead. Then so here we change what she says. So instead of saying I'm a virtual AI, let's make her say alright, so let's generate portrait avatar. This is one portrait avatar, you can see them really nice. So we're looking at video avatar, so generate. It'll take some time. So you have seconds, this is 1 minute, seconds left. So it's in 30%. While doing that, you can see we also have a video to avatar part. Then we also have a portrait avatar, and you can check it. This is the voice for this particular one. You can change the voice. Let's see if we can listen. It's what she will say. So we're generating a video. It's gonna take a while. It's just in 30%. Well, while we're waiting for the video to get generated, let's look at some other things that we can do. You see, some people gave it a try actually, and they were blown away by how easy it was to get started. The interface was embraced even for non-techie folks. There was no more verification after the first one. Then the messages and everything was good, so there was no complicated setup. They were able to you can pick an avatar that match your brand, type in your script and hit generate, and within minutes we have the video that looks like it was made by professional videographers. So this saves you the time you'd have spent waiting around for footage and scheduling shots. Saves a lot of time and money. It was like gaining extra hours in a day. And what we like most about it is the realistic avatars, customizable options. You can tweak the background to fonts to match your branding, and then you can produce multiple videos in a fraction of the time to have taken using traditional method. So it's really streamlined video creation process, and it's a tool definitely you should keep using. So my final thought is it's a powerful tool that makes creation easy, faster, affordable. It's perfect for businesses and individuals who want to create high quality videos without the hassle of traditional production. And while it has its limitations, benefits outweigh the drawbacks. So if you're looking to streamline your video creation process, unlock new possibilities, it's worth serious consideration. So sign up for a free trial and experience the magic yourself. So I can't wait for any more because of time, so I'm not to waste your time. So hope you found this video really helpful. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips that you put up every day. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.